Good morning, people. Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Good morning, good morning. This is gonna be a really quick literature story for y'all, and I got this from cause I don't wanna do any um plagiarism or anything like that. So I'm citing my sources. Right, this came from a multilingual um the mother tongue based multilingual education. Um, and it came from a YouTube channel that did that, and it's called Gatas by Roxanne Fuentes, and Fuentes meaning sources, right? So I know on the past other videos I was speaking in Cebuano. Those are for like a little advanced learners. I know there are some of you that are still like in the beginning stages or intermediate kind of stages, right? So the videos that I make for literature, they're all just a bunch of all wide range kind of levels from beginning to intermediate to advanced. And the more advanced ones, I don't speak English, I just speak in Cebuano. But for this one, I guess it can be a transition. I'm going to read this story, but I'm not going to translate it. So this can be used, I guess, kind of like a listening exercise or a comprehension exercise, right? And of course, as always, you have your sources to find out what these vocabulary words are and dictionary to use, whichever sources you go to, right? For this one, I'm just going to read it as is, and I might point out some stuff that I see. So, yeah, let's get right to it. The story is Ang Gatas, and gatas is milk, right? So, Ang Gatas. And again, this is a children's story in accordance with the multilingual or the mother tongue multilingual education thing. Yeah, the really long word, right? Walay lami, alang kang Niko, ang lasa sa gatas. Tsitsiriya ug soda ang paboritong pagkaon niya. Usa ka adlaw ni ana, nisakit ang tiyan niya. Nisakit kini pag-aayo, ug nisuka pagyud siya. Gidala si Nico sa doktor nga nitambag kaniya nga ang gatas maayong pagkaon sa lawas. Sugad niya to, gatas na ang paborito ni Nico. Nahimsog ug nigwapo na si Nico. Sa eskwelahan nila, maalamon pagyud siya. So there you go, ang gatas. And that's just a short gist of it. I did see something I wanted to point out. Uh, Remember this grammatical structure here, the circumfix ma something something on, right? Ma alamon, right? So just remember that grammatical circumfix, the ma something something on. And I guess the exercise here that I really want you to see is the voices, right? So we were talking about Austronesian alignment and the voices in the other videos. For this one, I really want you to see how the verb correlates to the verb conjugates in accordance with the voice, okay? And or the verbs that you see here. I really just want you to focus on that and kind of get a feel if you're still kind of confused about it. Other than that, it's a short story, and have a nice day.